Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to have your project that is ready. So basically we'll be having like creating a new project or you are already opening another project and then you will be needing like to add your media file and basically you will find all your videos here. You can import your media and then you can start like doing any editing that you would like. So for example, I can have this like this and here I'm just going for this and you can do like any editing like clipping adding transition effects filters or whatever you like, and basically at the end you will be needing like to export your video. That means like you want this project to become one whole video, and simply like to export your video you will find these render previews, you will find all these things, and basically to export you will be needing like to the export menu. And basically you can find it here and it is on the top menu here close to this, and basically here you will find all these export option, and from here you can create a video, export selected clips or export to device, upload to YouTube, and you can, etc. So basically we'll be needing like either to export to device or create a video, and basically we'll be needing like just to log in into your account, and basically you will need to have an account, and by that you will be able like to have the process of creating the video that will start, and basically uh, you will have it in your device in case you choose export to device, and basically it's the same. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.